Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. So in this video, we will see how we can create multi-agent in our Copilot Studio. Okay, so just to give you a brief background, currently I am into my demo agent that I am using from my last few videos, and here currently what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this agent option now. So I'll click on this agent option here and I will add agent. Basically I'm using the multi-agent scenario. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new child agent. I'll click on this new child agent here. Okay. And now here I need to give a name to my agent. So I'm going to duplicate my tab. Okay. So first of all, let's try to understand the scenario. So if you have seen my previous video, in that video, what we did, we simply added this particular, population, website by country. So this website simply gives us the information of the population and blah blah, all this kind of information. So what we did in our last video, we simply added this particular website to our knowledge. Okay, so let me quickly open my agent and let me go to my knowledge. Okay, and here is the website that I have added. So let me click on edit. Okay, so this is the URL of that particular website. Now what I want currently, see, if I will search some information from this website, I can easily do it because I have added my knowledge. So I'm going to delete this particular knowledge. Okay, so let me copy this and I will delete this particular agent, sorry, this particular knowledge first. I'll wait for a second. Be with me, you'll be able to understand by the end of video what we're trying to do. Okay, now if I will, let me start a new session first so that we'll get the accurate data. So I want to search the same information that we did in our last video. What is the urban population of India? It should provide us 37.1 and hopefully it shouldn't. So let me say, what is the current urban population of India? So I will wait. So here you see we have already deleted the knowledge and now it should provide us some random data. Okay, so here if you see it is basically providing us random data. Okay, do not return and blah blah, all this information. Now we want to leverage this particular website, but not as a knowledge. We want to altogether create a new agent. So for example, whenever anyone will ask that we need certain information regarding the population, so at that time this particular new agent should be triggered. So now I will give a name to my this new agent. So what I did, let me rewrite it. I went to my agent, I click on this add agent. Okay, and here I have simply created a new child agent. Okay, now I'm here. So I need to give a good name to my agent. And now this step is very very important. Okay, and here is when will this be used. So for example, if I want to give certain kind of phrases or prompt, okay, now I will give a description here. So for example, I should give a very very meaningful kind of description because then only this particular agent will trigger. So I fill this particular data. Again, here you can set the priorities and conditions. So for now, we'll simply make it simple. Here you can again, add, and here let me say, please give me information. Alright guys, so what I will do, just give me a second here, I can say this will retrieve population Population statistics. Okay, now I need to add my knowledge here, so I can click here, add knowledge. I can go to public website, and I can, copy my this particular website, and I can come back to my agent. I can add this. Let me add to agent. Okay, and what I will do, I will edit this. I should give some good name. Here I can say world population by country, and I will again paste the same. Let me try to save. Alright, and now let me test this session. I'll say what is urban population of India. Okay, and it should return us 37.1. So here if you see, it is able to provide us the exact data. And if you see, we got this data by our agent. So agent will really help you, for example, when you want to segregate something. There may be many, so inside your single chatbot, you may have many departments, right? Let us assume you can have your finance, HR, IT, etc., etc. So if you get certain phrases related to IT, then you can trigger your child agent like related to IT. Because if someone is getting request from IT, so it may be a tech issue, maybe a laptop change issue, something like that. For HR, usually it will be a policy related issues, and there may be a salaries issues, right? So this is how you can use this multi-agent. So what we did, let me just simply reiterate in this video. So let me go to my agent. Here we went to agent, we created another agent. Inside that our agent, we added the knowledge source. Okay, we added our knowledge. Okay, previously we have added knowledge into our child one here. Okay, so here if you see, let me explain this. So here if you see, this particular knowledge is available to use for this particular agent, that is world statistics, right? So thanks for watching this video.